Hey guys, this is Maria from HerWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your voice sound like an announcer on Instagram. Instagram lets you change your voice and record funny story videos as if you're speaking, for example, with an announcer voice. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to Instagram Home tab, swipe right or hit your story in the upper left corner. Once the camera screen opens, find the Voice Effects filter on the circular menu bar. Now choose the Announcer Voice Effect. After that, press and hold the record button. Don't forget that you can edit your story video by adding stickers, drawing or writing something if you want. Once your story video is ready, simply click on the Send To button and share your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make your voice sound like an announcer on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at HerWaySocial.com.